Welcome to today's video. This video will tell you easy steps to list your product on Amazon.in. We will basically try to create an Excel sheet and make a list out of it and then give it to your engagement manager to begin selling on Amazon.in. To start with, please log into sellercentral.amazon.in. Log into your account, go to the inventory, click on Add Products via Upload. To make the Excel sheet, you need to download the template of the category. On clicking on Download Template, a dialog box will appear. You can list or highlight the category that you are looking forward to list and click and download that file. On saving and opening the file, a template will open with the instruction sheet in front. It will have a data definitions page wherein you can see all the required attributes. You can add filter on top and just see the mandatory attributes. SKU is the unique number identified by the seller. It could be alphanumeric. Product ID is the EN UPC or the unique identifier of the product. EN UPC is generally found on the bottom of the barcodes of the product. Product ID type is specifying whether it is EN or UPC. Item name is the name of the item along with the brand name, various details, basically a short description in a line to identify the item. Manufacturer part number could be alphanumeric string which helps in identifying the part. This could be identical to model numbers. Product type for sports here will be sporting goods. Brand name could be the name of the brand. Standard price is the price that the seller is offering. It has to be inclusive of the Amazon fees. Item condition for IN is always new. Quantity is the number of SKU units that the seller has to offer. Item type name could be swimming, sports apparel, whatever it is related to. It basically describes the type of the item. I would just quote an example so that we could get an understanding of how this sheet has to be made. We click on template. On clicking on template page, we get an Excel sheet in this form. We need to enter various details of the product so as to make the Excel sheet ready. Item SKU. The product that I have chosen here is Speedo Silicone Swim Cap Blue. So the item SKU that I have identified is Speedo 1C. The external product ID in this case is the UPC number, which can be derived from the following manner. It is generally present behind the barcodes of the product. So it's a 12-digit number which can be copied from here and placed in that sheet. We identify it as UPC, so product ID type is the UPC. Item name is Speedo Silicone Swim Cap. It's a blue color product, so we have identified as blue. Manufacturer name we have left it blank. If we wish, we can obviously enter. Manufacturer part number we have taken as Speedo 1C. Feed product type, like I mentioned, for sports is always sporting goods. Brand name in this case is Speedo. The price and quantity that has to be entered in the following way. The price has to be inclusive of the Amazon fees. So I have entered a cost of 360. Item type is new. Quantity is 6. We need to enter the main image URL. The image URL can be derived in the following way. The image that has to be put in the Excel sheet has to be in .jpg format. So what we do is we right click on the image wherever the image is located, be it on your site, on other site, wherever it is located, we try to copy it from there and then we copy background. From copy background we get the link in .jpg format and we paste it here. After image, the last mandatory attribute for this Excel file is the item type name. We select the name from the drop down here, and since it's a swimming cap, I have chosen item type name as swimming. We need to save this file in text tab delimited format, and after saving it, we need to upload it. We can save the file in text tab delimited format in the following manner. We need to select the file format from the drop down here, save as type, and select the text tab delimited. After having saved the file in text tab delimited, we go back to Seller Central, add products via upload. In the second box, we see upload inventory files. Click on the drop-down, select Inventory Files, browse through the file that we have just saved and upload over here. After having listed all the products in the similar manner, we are ready and very close to start selling on Amazon. Thanks for listening.